Yeah, I cannot wait for the game tonight.
Yeah, dude, they're gonna do good.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Jake, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, bud? How are you?
How you doing?
Pretty
Vickers,
good.
how are you?
I'm doing good, man.
You guys
Doing
going to
good.
that game tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy. What about the party? You going afterwards?
Yeah, I guess so.
Sure. You want to ride with me?
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Sounds good, man.
Yeah, man, that was a pretty good game. All right, dude, I'm so excited about this party. Let's get out of here. Oh, I gotta call my mom real quick, make sure it's okay that I go. Hey, Mom. Yeah, the football game's over. Hey, is it cool if I go to the party at the school tonight? Are you kidding me? Mom, it's a Friday night. Yes, I know I have ACT tomorrow, but Mom, please, you know I'm... Whatever. All right, fine. I love you too. Bye. God, man, I can't go, so I guess I'll see you later, all right, bud?
All right, it's so cool, man.
We'll see you, bud. All right, bud, we'll see you.
Hey. Yeah, man, I'm on my way. Alright, dude, chill out. I'm on my way.
Mr. and Miss Vickers, I hate to tell you, tonight TJ was in an accident, and it was a minor accident, but he didn't have his seatbelt on, and TJ's passed away.
Hey. Yeah, man, I'm on my way. Alright, dude, chill out. I'm on my way. Alright, man, I'll hurry. Alright, see you.
Hello, my name is David Crutchfield. I'm a deputy sheriff, Suwannee County Sheriff's Office in Live Oak, Florida. I'm the school resource officer at Swanee High School. In the state of Florida in 2007, 1,164 people were killed or injured in automobile accidents. 802, or 69%, were not wearing their seatbelts. In 2008, 1,795 people were killed or injured in automobile accidents. 1,085, or 60%, were not wearing their seatbelts. That's a 9% increase in seatbelt usage from 2007 to 2008. Please use your seatbelts. It only takes a second, and it will save your life.